Most people don't realize how exposed their financial identity really is until something goes wrong. And here's the truth no one tells you. If someone gets access to your personal details, they can try to open credit in your name without you even knowing. In this video, you'll learn how to freeze your credit report in 2026 step by step, why it matters, and how it protects you from fraud, identity theft, and unwanted credit activity. Let's get straight into it. A credit freeze is a security lock on your credit report. It stops lenders from accessing your credit file unless you unfreeze it. So if someone like Alex in Mumbai or Jake in the US tries to open a loan using your details, the bank cannot check your credit report, and the application gets blocked. Now here's where it gets interesting. A credit freeze does not affect your credit score at all. Your score stays the same. You can still use your existing cards normally. You are simply blocking new credit access. But here's the problem. Many people confuse a credit freeze with closing accounts. That is not the same. Freezing is protection, not shutdown. Now let's go step by step. First, identify where your credit report is maintained in your country. In the US, it is major bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. In India, credit information is managed by bureaus like CIBIL and others. You will need to freeze your report with each bureau individually. Second, you need to create an account on the official credit bureau website or app. This usually requires identity verification. You may need your ID, address details, and sometimes OTP verification. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your identity is confirmed, you will find an option called Credit Freeze or Security Freeze. When you activate it, your credit file becomes locked. Third, confirm the freeze status. You should receive a confirmation message or email. From that point, no new lender can access your credit report unless you temporarily lift the freeze. But here's the important part most people miss. If you want to apply for a loan or credit card later, you can temporarily unfreeze your report. This can be done for a specific time, or for a specific lender. So if John is applying for a car loan, he can unfreeze his credit for one day, complete the application, and then freeze it again. Now let's talk about when you should use this. If you are not planning to apply for new credit anytime soon, freezing your credit is a smart protection step. It is especially useful if your personal data has been exposed in a data breach, or if you want extra security. So to wrap it up, a credit freeze is a simple but powerful tool. It protects your credit identity, stops unauthorized applications, and does not affect your score. If you use it correctly, you stay in full control of who can access your financial profile. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country for more finance safety tips, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you protect and grow your money safely.